Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vitamin C Japan. Apply 1 to 2 drops of serum to cleansed, dry skin and gently press it in. Use sunscreen each morning after vitamin C to protect skin and boost benefits. Combine with hydrating toner or moisturizer if you experience dryness. Avoid mixing directly with strong acids or retinoids without guidance. Track results over weeks to assess improvements and tolerance. Choose a Japanese vitamin C product that lists L-ascorbic acid or a stable derivative high on the ingredients. Start with a lower concentration if your skin is sensitive and step up gradually to avoid inflammation. Pick formulations in opaque, airless pumps to maintain potency and reduce oxidation over time. Read labels for supporting antioxidants and hydrating agents that increase effectiveness. Patch test new products and monitor for redness. Apply vitamin C in the morning after cleansing and before sunscreen for optimal antioxidant protection and brightening. Use small amounts and allow the serum to absorb before following with moisturizer and SPF 30 or higher. If irritation appears, reduce frequency to every other day or switch to a gentler concentration. Keep the bottle capped tightly and store away from heat and sunlight to maintain stability and extend shelf life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.